Hey, it's Rich back with you for another video. Today I'm with a 2011 Citation Mustang that one of our customers brought in for maintenance, and we just did some normal maintenance, routine maintenance on it. There are actually no squawks on it, just normal maintenance. And I'm going to do a post-maintenance check for him before he gets here to take the airplane later today. So I'm going to take you along for the ride. So this airplane was in for a phase inspection, and one thing I always do before a post-maintenance flight is I talk to our mechanics. I talked to Francis, our service manager, earlier on this airplane, find out what they did, and then specifically, are there any squawks that they might have worked, something they found out or discovered while they were doing the maintenance on the airplane, to really understand what was done, what areas they looked at. And then also on any maintenance flight, they remove static wicks sometimes. They may turn a system switch off that we normally leave on, and so I really have to do a real thorough kind of a pre-flight specific to post-maintenance to make sure everything is the way it should be.
Everything looks good. I got a flight corrector up.
Citation 1 Tango Papa, runway 30, clear for takeoff.
1 Tango Papa, clear for takeoff 30.
Hawaiian 71,
okay, so we're going to get some
departure. Have a great day.
Oh, anti, speedo statics on, get all of our lights on. I'm going to offset to the left here because all those bumps. I want to get a good read on how this thing feels without hitting all those bumps. See that stripe down the middle? I'm going to use that. Okay. Power's coming up. Takeoff power set. I got takeoff power up here. Airspeed's alive. All the engine instruments are green. Much smoother it is over here, 70 knots, cross check. V1. Rotate. Positive rate, gear comes up. A little bit of a ram offset here. Flaps are coming up.
10 Tower, good morning. Waco biplane 154 Mike Whiskies at Ross Aviation. On Juliet, taxi 26 left with the information.
Waco 154 Mike Whiskey.
Hydraulic pressure low.
Runway 26 left, taxi via Juliet, Delta 4 Delta.
Taxi 26 left via Juliet, Delta 4 Delta for Waco 154 Mike Whiskey.
Citation 1 Tango Papa, contact SoCal departure.
Tango Papa, we're going to stay with you. We got a gear issue, so we're going to head back and land. We got 3 green, but gear didn't come up, so everything's good. Just like to get a pattern back to 30.
1 Tango Papa, I do make left traffic. Keep it down and close on, I'll have a look at it.
1 Tango Papa will do.
Or you can make right traffic, your choice, whatever you see the clouds are better.
I'm in the left turn and stay in the left pattern.
Okay, thanks.
Long Beach, Southwest 2196, gate 6, ready to push with Lima.
South 2196, push is your discretion.
Push our discretion, Southwest 2196.
Having too good luck with gear lately. A little low for you so you can see better on Citation 1 Tango Papa.
1 Tango Papa, thanks. Having a hard time seeing you right now.
Tower Catalina 91's approaching the breakwater. Lima for 26 left.
Catalina 91, Roger, make left traffic, number 26 left.
Thanks, Cat.
1 Tango Papa, 3 appeared down. Do you want to cycle them?
No, we had the problem when we cycled them, so we got 3 green and everything. It's down and locked, so we're going to go ahead and make them full stop.
1 Tango Papa, runway 30, clear to land.
Clear to land 30, 1 Tango Papa.
Wind calm, Long Beach altimeter 3006.
Final look good?
500.
Clear.
Minimums.
There's down, 3 green flaps are land. Gonna hammer on the brakes. We'll get off at Kilo for 1 Tango Papa, back for OCR.
1 Tango Papa Roger, taxi, stay with me, Kilo, Delta, Echo, Juliet.
Kilo Delta Echo Juliet for 1 Tango Papa with you. So we put the gear up and we had some flickering gear lights and never got a solid confirmation that the gear were up. And we also got a hydraulic pressure low annunciator.
Tower, biplane 154, Mike Whiskey is ready for takeoff. 26 left, straight out.
4 Mike Whiskey, stand by.
Holding short, standing by.
I just recycled the gear, put them down to make sure I could get 3 green. I got 3 green, and obviously with that low pressure light, we're not gonna recycle it. The tower asked me to recycle it, right, so he could see it, but that, in my view, would have been a mistake.
2196.
I just said we had gear down, 3 green, they were locked down, so why take a good condition and risk an unsafe condition? And just so he could maybe see it, that doesn't make any sense to me, so that's why I rejected that request.
Thanks, Captain.
Number 1 Tango Papa cross runway 26 left at Juliet 4, taxi to Oshabia, Foxtrot.
16 left, or I'm sorry, cross 26 left at Juliet 4, and then Foxtrot to OCR. Thank you for your help. 1 Tango Papa.
Yep, thanks.
That's you, Rich?
Yep. Then
Tower going 5878.
cross 26 left.
Over by the fire station for 26 left with turn up.
570 leaving Long Beach, ground, Long Beach Tower. Long Beach 26 left taxi via Bravo, Echo 2, Echo Juliet.
Bravo, Echo 2, Echo to Juliet, 78 Lima.
That's a good reason why we do these maintenance flights, and it's probably something simple, you know. I don't think we probably even did anything to the gear on this phase. Maybe we did, who knows? But the point is, it's a good reason to do these flights. Really, nothing big. You know, the weather's good. I probably wouldn't do a check like this in a low IFR day. But mission accomplished, really, because that's what we want to do, is shake them down.
Okay, so we brought the airplane back in the hangar now. Our maintenance guys are working on it, but this is a good example of why we do these post-maintenance flights. They didn't touch the gear. It was not due for anything. It was working normal when the customer brought it here. We did our phase inspection, and then on the post-flight maintenance check, we can't get the gear to go up. Looks like we got a hydraulic leak or something. They're working on it right now, but again, it's another reason why we think it's real important to do these flights after we do maintenance, just to make sure that the customer doesn't show up and then we got problems, and now we can give him a call and tell him he's going to be delayed. But anyway, hope you got something out of the video. Thanks for watching.